let us discuss about the uses of the rocks and the minerals. Rocks are used to make tools and the weapons. In the ancient time, the weapons made up of the rocks were widely used to kill the animals, and rocks are widely used for the construction of roads, houses and the buildings. From the rocks they made the concrete and the cement. Petroleum and the coal is also taken out from the rocks, and these provide us the source of the power. Next, chemicals are found in the some of the sedimentary rocks which are used for making the fertilizers, and soil is also formed from the rocks. This was the uses of the rocks. Our last but not least topic is the rock cycle. Now let us see the rock cycle. Magma. We talk about the magma, and basically we talk about the three main forms of the rocks, that is the igneous, sedimentary and the metamorphic rocks. The igneous rock igneous rock, from the igneous rock it makes the sedimentary rocks, and then it makes the metamorphic rocks. It does not take even a week or a month and get converted into the metamorphic rock. It takes hundreds of the years to convert back into the metamorphic rock and then to the magma. Now igneous rocks, we have studied above that on the cooling of the molten magma it forms the igneous rock on the cooling. When the lava come out of the earth, it get deposited over the earth surface. On cooling of that lava, it forms the igneous rocks. Many of the agents like weathering, high temperature, I told you, erosion, okay, and the deposition, okay, deposition of sediments, deposition of sediments make the sedimentary rock. Okay, from where this weathering took place, this weathering take place on the igneous rock. Okay, the material get eroded from the igneous rocks, and this rock break down into the smaller pieces. Okay, broken of the pieces of the rocks which may be small as the pebbles and fine like a sand, okay, get shift from the one place to another by the natural processes. As we talk about the rivers, yes, by the flow of rivers, lakes, okay, these get a deposit from one place to another, and gradually it forms the sedimentary rocks. The layers keep forming. We talk about that horizontal layers are found in the rocks, and the layers get deposit one over the another, then another, then another, then another. It forms the rock. Okay, and these layers get buried deeper again, then these rocks get subjected toward the pressure. Okay, a deep pressure. Okay, it put pressure downward toward the earth, and these change their shape from the, with high pressure it change their state from the sedimentary rock to the metamorphic rock. Similarly, the intrusive rocks under the earth's surface are also subjected to the heat and pressure. As we read before, when we move down toward the earth, the temperature is very high, and these metamorphic rocks again started getting melting. Okay, on melting it again turn into the molten magma. Okay, then again when this molten magma come out of the vent, it forms the igneous, then sedimentary, metamorphic. This is the rock cycle, and this cycle on the earth continues. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This was the end of our chapter.